Good morning, children. It's your EVS class. And today what we will continue the lesson our house. Why do we need house? We need house to protect ourselves safe from enemies, bad weather, and to protect ourselves from many different dangerous things. Okay, we need to make a house, and house are of two types: temporary house and permanent house, or kacha house or pakka house. We have read all these things in our previous class. Today what we will do? Today we will do the book exercise of the lesson, and we will do the notebook work. We will write the true and false exercise and the question answer of the lesson. Children, be ready with your book and your notebook, pencils and eraser. Let me share my screen where I will show you these things. We will do this activity, dear. Yes, this is in your book. You have to identify the following types of houses and you have to write the name of the particular house. Come to the number 1. What is this picture? This is a picture of igloo. It is a special type of house, igloo. What you will write here? I-G-L-O-O, igloo. And this house is made up of ice, and it is found in cold region, very cold region, on the polar region of our earth. Okay, this is special dome shaped house and it is made of ice. And then what is the name of house? Igloo. Number 1 is what you will write here? Igloo. Come to the second one. What is this? This is kacha house. What you will write here? Kacha house. K-U-C-H-A, kacha, H-O-U-S-E, house. And kacha house is made up of mud and straw. These are the roof is made of straw and this wall is made of mud. मिट्टी की बने हुए होते हैं कच्चा house. Okay, what you will write? Kacha house. And come to the third one. Identify this picture. This is a picture of Carvan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. And what is Carvan? Carvan is a type of house which is known as house on wheel. ये पहियों पे बना हाउस होता है and it can be moved from one place to another. People, a group of people who move for their work, they live in such type of houses. And it is called Carvan. This is a picture of Carvan. Or another name is a house on wheel. Come to the fourth one. What type of house this is? This is a tent. These both are temporary houses. Tent, and it is made of canvas cloth. Many mountaineers and when people go for any picnic in hilly areas, they live in such type of tent. Na? Our PSC and police also sometimes make such type of tent. This is a temporary house. What is this? Tent. Come to the fifth one. Identify this, beta. These are multi-storied building, and what they are called? Skyscrapers. They are very high. And what they are called? Skyscrapers. Okay? You will identify these pictures and write. You have to write the name of the picture. I hope you all can do this. Come to the another one. This is also your book exercise activity. Here, this is in your book. Given below a picture of house, make a roof with beautiful seeds. This is a craft work. Here is the roof. What you will paste here? मूंगफली या राजमा, इसका छोटा छोटा सा सीड आप यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर सकते हो. Beautiful wheat with seeds. Okay. Use cotton for the clouds, and you spread a cotton. You can paste here, and you will give a look of cloud. Use rice grain and colored dals for the walls. You can decorate according to you. You can put here different colors. Door you can make of any dark color and wall of light color. Okay, you by pasting different the grains of rice and the rajma and the colorful dals like moong dal. These are orange in color, or green chilke wali dal you can use for making the giving the green color, huh? And you can fence it with match sticks. और इसकी जो ये फेंस बनी हुई है यहाँ पे, ये आप मैच स्टिक से लगा के इसकी दीवारें बना सकते हो, outer boundary. Okay, use putting here matchbox. You can use your own idea. You can use here paste here glitters also, stone sand also. Okay, green color paper, flowers, small paper flower. You can decorate by using your own idea. Okay, and share the photograph of this. You all will do. This is in your book. Where it is? It is in your book. From where you will do it. This is the activity which you have to do. Okay, children? Come to the notebook work. We have done the first notebook work. What was that? We have written the name of the lesson and we have done the A. Circle the odd one out. We have done this, na? Circle the odd one out. Today we will going to write state true or false. You will start from the new page, write B and heading. State true or false. Write neatly. Leave 2 lines and number 1. We cook food in the bathroom. It is true or false? Of course, false. Where we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. And what we do in the bathroom? We take bath. Come to the second one. The family members have their meals in the kitchen. This is also false. Where they take their meals? In the dining room. And come to the third one. Unwanted things that are not useful, the extra things, we are kept in the storeroom. Yes, it is true. We keep the extra thing in the storeroom. Come to the fourth one. We entertain guests in the drawing room. There is a special room in your house where you welcome your guests, sofas, carpet, paintings, and decorating flower pots, lamps. We put there, na? What this room is called? Drawing room. This statement is true. Come to the fifth one. Children sit and study in the study room. Of course, true. Where do you study? Study in the study room. Children, I will share in the PDF form. From there, you will write. Just now, you understand. Okay. Now, this answer the following question. See, you will start from the new page. Okay. You will write from the new page. Write the heading, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which things are used in making pakka houses? Answer 1. Bricks, wood, cement and steel are used in making pakka houses. Okay, children? You will leave 1 line after the question and then you will write answer. Then you will draw a line with a scale. And then you will proceed for the second question answer. Okay? You write from the PDF. Just now I am just explaining you. What is the second question? What are skyscrapers? Answer 2. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings with many stories. Stories means manzil. Example, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. How many floors are there? With 163 floors are there. Okay? You will write the second question, then draw a line with a scale. Come to the third one. Who live in the tents and why? Answer 3. Mountaineers, military, and picnic campers live in the tents. And you will leave this portion and you will write from the new line that this is the answer of second portion. Why? That this is the answer of first portion. Who lives in the tents? Mountaineers, military people and the picnic campers. And why? The tent can easily be folded and can be carried to one place to another place. That's why these people lives in tent, because after some days they will move, and they have to go to another place. Another place they will put again this tent and they will leave. Come to the fourth one. Where can you find the tilt house? Tilt house can be found in. At is wrong. Here you will write in. The places where it rains a lot, जहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है, and there is a danger of flood, जहाँ पे बाढ़ का खतरा होता है. इन houses की क्या speciality होती है? Wooden poles. Houses are high from the floor and they are supported with the wooden poles. You have seen the picture in the book now? Come to the question 5. Write any two features of an ideal house. An ideal house should have enough sunlight and fresh air. This is very, very important for an ideal house. And clean drinking water supply. These two things are very, very important for an ideal house. If in a house these things are not present, you can't live in that house for a long time. Huh. For a long time, for living in a house, you need these things. Okay, children? You will write in your notebook the question answer, and you will do the book exercise activity. Okay? And the another activity. What is that? That is, imagine yourself an architect. What is architect, dear? Architect मतलब a person who plans for his house. कि उसका घर कैसा होगा, वो अपने हाउस का प्लान करता है. In a half chart paper or in your notebook, you can draw different rooms. ये देख लो, एक हाउस में you can plan कि हमारा हाउस कैसा होगा, उसका बाथरूम कैसा होगा, उसका बेडरूम कैसा होगा, स्टडी रूम कैसा होगा, ड्राइंग रूम कैसा होगा. You can do this painting. You will make different types of room in a house, and you think about that, what things you want to keep there, what design you want. And another thing you can do, using waste material, you can make a model of any type of house. You can make a model of igloo by using the cotton, okay, or thermocol. Give a dome shape to a thermocol. Or you can make a tent by using the thick paper, tissue paper, and the small sticks, okay? Or any type of house, kacha house, pakka house, multi-storied house, tent house. You will make any one house model. ठीक है? आप कोई भी एक हाउस का मॉडल बनाएंगे. यूज द वेस्ट मटेरियल. बॉक्सेस आपके घर में होते हैं, पुराने boxes, and packing material, thermocols. You use that, color that, use paper, thick papers, old greeting cards, शादी के wedding cards आते हैं. You can use that papers also. Make a tent of that. Okay, you can make a house like that. And don't forget to share the picture. Okay, children? And I will share the PDF where you will get the question answer and the book exercises which we have done just now. Just after the class, I will share that. From there, you can write and complete your notebook work today. Don't make it pending. Every day you complete the work of the same day on. Okay. Bye bye, children. Meet you soon in the next class. Bye bye.